You love mountain biking and you want to build your perfect dream mountain bike. But the problem is that you don't have enough money. You have only 15k in your wallet and you want to build your dream mountain bike. So, what will you do? Stay tuned because I will tell you about how you can build your dream mountain bike under 15k. So, let's start the video. So the story of building my dream bike starts in 2018, where I want to make a YouTube channel just like Fatbike Webhub. And for making a YouTube channel, I need a good bicycle. I need a bicycle that have gears, disc brake, and it should be a mountain bike. At that time, I was riding this bicycle, the Atlas Bomber Thunderbird. This bicycle is very good bicycle. I still have that bicycle, but that bicycle doesn't have gears, it doesn't have disc brakes, and it has rear suspension, which is worst at time. So I need a good mountain bike. A mountain bike that fits my riding style, that fits my budget, and that fits me. So I start searching up mountain bikes in online website, and I also started searching it offline. So after searching a lot and learning a lot about bicycle, I got a new mountain bike, and that mountain bike is this bicycle, which is the Atlas Big Hammer 2.7 aka Python. So since back then my bicycle came a long way, and now it has new suspension fork, new bicycle parts, new disc brakes, new rims, new tires. Most of the things are upgraded to new ones. So let's talk about the upgrades that have been done to the bicycle. And when I got the bicycle looked like this, and now the bicycle looks like this. So let's talk about the upgrades that have been done to the bicycle itself. So first of all, let's talk about the cockpit setup of the bicycle. So this is a wake stem which is changed from the original one, and these are the wake grips which are also changed. These are the lockout grips, and the shifters is also changed. That left side shifter is original one, and this is changed one. And I am also thinking of changing the handlebar because the handlebar is way too narrow, and that's why I am thinking of changing the handlebar, replacing the handlebar with a wider one, so that my riding performance will also be better and the bicycle looks will also be enhanced. So I am thinking of changing the handlebar with a wider one. So let's talk about the bottle holder of the bicycle. So this is a between bottle holder, and I purchased it from the Decathlon store. And this bicycle bottle holder is good for 6 months, but now after almost a year, it shakes like this, as you can see, and I have to replace the bottle holder with a new one. And it lasted for 6 months perfectly, but after 6 months the bottle holder starts shaking and moving from its position. So that's why I don't think this is a very durable bottle holder, but I am not recommending you to purchase this bottle holder because this is not that much durable. So let's move to the next upgrade. So I have a story to tell you. So the story is that my bicycle suspension fork have been broke 3 or 4 times, but that's not the problem. The problem is that I am unable to find a new suspension fork of my head tube suspension size. So that's why my bicycle have seated 3 or 4 months in my bedroom, lying in my bed. And finally my bicycle is repaired, and I am making this video. So the question comes, which suspension fork I am using. So the shopkeeper, the shop from where I purchased this bicycle, I took this bicycle to that shop when I am not able to find a suspension fork, and I told to them that my suspension fork is broken. They told me to wait for 3 or 2 months, and I waited for 2 months, and they don't respond anything. So after 2 months they are not able to find a suspension fork. What they have do, they took a suspension from the bicycle that is for sale, and fixed in my bicycle, and my bicycle is completely repaired. So I don't know what is the brand or what from what is the quality of suspension fork, but the suspension fork is good. It has disc brake mount and it's fit in my bicycle. That's the biggest question, and that's why I think this suspension fork is good. So let's move to the next upgrade. So the next upgrade is the seat post. So yeah, I know that's not a big upgrade, but that's kind of an upgrade. So my previous seat is very uncomfortable, and this seat is very comfortable. I have done 40 kilometers on this seat, and I don't have any type of pain after doing that. And this seat is very comfortable, as I say, and it's also cool looking, and it comes from a company named as Big Ben. So let's move to the next upgrade. So it's not upgrade, it's a cosmetic upgrade kind of, but a cosmetic upgrade. So I have installed LED lights in front and one in back, and one is also seat post, and I am also installing two lights in the wheels. They are also gonna be LED, and then my bicycle will look amazing in the nights. And I am showing a video of the bicycle in the night. So the cassette of the bicycle is also upgraded with a new one. It's not an upgrade, it's just change. So I changed this cassette because the old cassette has some problem in it and it also broke, and that's why I have to change the cassette, and I have changed the cassette. So let's move to the next upgrade. So the next upgrade is the chain guards. So I have upgraded the chain guard with a bigger one because the older one is unable to protect my derailleur, and my derailleur has also been broke. And I have changed my chain guard with a bigger one so that it can be protect my derailleur, and I have also upgraded my derailleur with a new one because the old derailleur have some problem in it. It doesn't shifts good, so that's why I've changed this derailleur with a Shimano one. And the older one is also Shimano, but it's 6 speed, and this derailleur is 7 speed, and that's why it's very good at shifting compared to the previous one. And let's move to the next upgrade. So the next upgrade is the tires. So I have upgraded the tires with a wider one from the original one. So this is the original tire, and this is the new tire which is been upgraded. So it also remove my performance, but वो अभी घिस गया तो उसे भी चेंज करना ही पड़ेगा. So the next upgrade is the disc brake. So I have upgraded the disc brake with a bigger one because the older disc brake has been broke. So I have upgraded the back disc brake with a bigger one so that braking power will improve. But the braking power does not improve as much as I expected. But that's okay. Let's move to the next upgrade. So the next upgrade is the pedals. So the pedals are also changed with a bigger and wider one because the old pedal have spikes in it, and that's not comfortable to ride. So that's why I changed the pedal with a flat pedal, and it's also bigger and wider. So that's all about all the upgrades of the bicycle. And I want to show you one more thing, that I have written the Python in this side, and that's because the bicycle name is Python, and here is written MTBP, that is the short form of mountain biker Praneet, and here is written Praneet in the down tube, and it's very dirty as you can see. And that's all about the sticker work, and I want to show you because someone thinks that why the in the title the name of the bicycle is Python written. So this is because I have put in the name of the bicycle Python, and that's all about the bicycle. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like the video. Like, share and subscribe to Mountain Bike Friend. This is the Mountain Bike Friend signing off.